Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crissy and I am super excited to show you guys finally the new dining room that I've been working on for the last couple of weeks. Everything's done, put together, painted, and ready to go. We had a really dark dining room set and it was totally driving me crazy, and I wanted to find the perfect little DIY table on Facebook Marketplace or from Goodwill or a yard sale because I am cheap AF. So I found it for $40 on Marketplace, and then I wanted to just get rid of everything else in the dining room, do it over, and have it new and make our small dining room look bigger. Here we go. Out with the old and in with the new.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew.
All right guys, there's the piece. Now I am just going to take a dry cloth, wipe off some of that dust, and get painting. All right, like I showed you guys in my Instagram stories and on a previous vlog, this is the spray paint I'm going to be using. It's the Krylon Color Master Print and Primer in matte white. I didn't want to go this white, but I could not find an off cream color. So hopefully this will work out. Kind of feel like it's a little bit too bright white, but we'll find out. Let's go. So I'm just going to take this, and that is a lot of dust on there. Jeez, Crissy, talk about trying to be clean.
I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
All right guys, this is one full can of the Krylon spray paint. There is 15 ounces in here. I was almost able to do all 4 legs. And of course tomorrow I'm going to flip it over and continue on the other side of the metal. Yeah, time to go inside. I hope it does not rain outside. Nope, skies are pretty clear.
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you.
here are our Amazon chairs that we ordered through Amazon. They are farmhouse style metal benches. They had a ton of amazing reviews. They were exactly what I was looking for, and they were around $100 for 4 of them. So right now we are going to put them together.
We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead to let me smile from for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. I don't wanna sabotage. You're a million. You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with.
So this is it, guys. This is my small dining room makeover and DIY. I really wanted to brighten up this space since it is such a small dining room that's pretty much connected to our kitchen. It is an open area concept in the kitchen and dining room, so all the darkness just really had to go, and I really wanted to open up the space, make it more brighter, and just really like our dining room. So I'm really glad that I found a cheap table, bought some chairs from Amazon, painted some stuff, got a couple of new wall things, and just jazzed up the space. If you have any type of space that you want to do over in your home, let me know down in the comments. Let me know if you are a new subscriber. I would love to chat with you. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, got some sort of motivation. Again, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, like my video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys. Looking at this now, I do not want 2 farmhouse signs on these walls right here. This is one wall, and it doesn't need a sign right there and a sign right there that both say farmhouse. I really like the skinny tall look of that one in that area. I think it's super cute. And then this one, I like the chunkiness, I like the lettering, I really like it in this area right in between that door and these windows. So I am gonna go do a poll and ask you guys on Instagram. Hopefully we can figure it out and figure it out together.
Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you